It is Saturday night here in Medjugorje. There's St. Church in the back. We have here the Gardens Club and Restaurant. It's 11 o'clock at night. The last pilgrims go home. I go as well. There's also a little nightlife here in Medjugorje. But you see people go home. Just to give you a little impression how Medjugorje Saturday night is. The last pilgrims who go home. I'm on my way home as well. So I wish you all a good night from Medjugorje. Still some cars on the streets. Talk to you and take you a little bit more. There's the post office and the internet shop, and there's the bus station. For my part, time to go home as well. Just a little walking tour. That you see up there is Namex and Consum and DM Market. The bus stop is over there. Spontaneous, I said, I take the camera out and we take a little walking tour again for your Saturday night Medjugorje. Seeing everything is closed, the bakery, everything is closed. That is Saturday night in Medjugorje. Some people still on the street. The bakery. There we go, all the way through. And dark here, just going home now. You see, it's I think so not so interesting for you. Over there, Namex is coming, Consum, DM Market. And I leave you with this picture. So you see no people on the street. Have a good night. Bye bye.